Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the Lenovo 14-inch black notebook, 1920 by 1080 pixels, 7th generation AMD A6 series 4GB, 64 memory. Without further ado, let us start the video and get into the box. Let's now bring into the frame the unboxing knife. Let us start the video. So, the box all over. Let's now cut into the box. Pull this tab. That's the laptop itself. Let's now move the box to the side as we are done with that. More instruction manuals. We don't need all that. What we do need is the laptop itself. This is all the charging brick, wire to connect in the charging brick, USB Type-C. Let's now get into the packaging of the laptop itself. And so this is the laptop itself. On the side, USB Type-C, USB 3, headphone jack, memory card slot. Other side, USB 3, HDMI, Kensington lock, nothing on the back. This is the laptop itself. There we go. And so, that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now.